Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'm just going to be unboxing my new Canon EOS M200 bundle that I ordered for myself. Sometimes it's definitely nice to treat yourself and go ahead and gift things to yourself that you know that you want to put investment into in the long run. So in today's video, there was a couple things in the box that I have received. I did receive a digital camera accessories kit that came in the box along with my camera. No, this video is not sponsored by Canon. I am just going to be unboxing this new camera that I bought for myself. Along in the box came the actual camera kit, and it is in a box like this. At the bottom of the box, there was a SD card. The SD card is by Lexar, and it is a 64 gigabyte SD card that I am able to use with the camera. With cameras, the good thing that comes with it are the SD cards because you don't have to run out and buy one. In this accessory kit, this is great for smartphones, video cameras, digital cameras, and it also holds 6 SD/micro SD cards. So in this kit came a little mini flexible tripod. The Vivitar mini tripod is sleek, compact, and innovatively designed. It fits on all digital cameras. It also came with a 6-slot SD micro SD card wallet, as well as 2 universal screen protectors, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and some screen cleaning fluid, as well as 5 cotton swabs. The SD card wallet is great for digital cameras, multimedia devices, smartphone SD cards. It's lightweight and has a sleek design. The screen protectors you can cut and customize to fit your screen. It will protect screen from scratches, wears, and damage, and reduce screen glare and enhance a great view. It fits screens up to 4.5 inches. It also came with some instructions on how to get started, how to register your camera, as well as saving images on Canon's website. So in the box was a case that came for the camera that I can put on both sides of the camera and have it around my neck if I chose to. It also came with a battery charger, so you'll know when it's charged because it clearly says on the front, charged and null. And so I went ahead and got that going to get charged and ready for whatever I feel like using it. I did get the lens. The lens is 15 to 45 millimeters. And so this is going to definitely create some great videos, take some great pictures. Like I said, this is a really great camera for vacation, for pictures, as well as for making YouTube videos and things like that. This camera is and does have an option where you can connect to Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on, and so as you can see, I'm just showing you all how the lens worked. And also in the box there was the battery. The battery comes looking like this, and I will say as a tip, if you don't feel like purchasing the actual brand name batteries, you always can go onto Amazon and type in the type of camera that you have, and the matching batteries will pop up. So I did order 2 extra batteries for this camera. So here's the camera. Here's the Canon EOS M200. And so it is black. It is very stylish. You take the lens off and then you put the other lens on. You also have the mirrorless option to see yourself in the camera, or if you choose not to, you can put it down. There are multiple options for shooting videos and taking pictures with this camera. You have the option to take the camera video mode in standard, portrait, and a couple of others. Here's some ports that I'm just showing: the battery port, where the HDMI cord goes, as well as the cord for plugging it up into your computer. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and get this set up with the date as well as the time and the time zone. So I wanted to go ahead and get that accomplished right away. That way, once this is actually charged, I'm able to go ahead in and start using it and set the settings on what I would really like it to be set on. So of course I had to charge the battery pack, and I did just that. I did have the extra 2 batteries that I ordered from Amazon, and I went ahead and got those charged up as well. So here is the silicone case that I got off of Amazon, and I will link that in my description box down below as well. I picked out pink because I think the only other colors were black and brown and green, and black on black is really not useless. It's not, I mean, it's not going to help. So I think that the pink looks really well. It does fit really great, and I'm still able to flip the camera up. I'm still able to turn knobs, open up the lens, and open up the battery pack. So this was a really great investment for about $12 to $13. And this is the rechargeable extra kit that I was talking about. If you guys go on Amazon and you type in Canon EOS M200 battery pack with a battery charger, this is what's going to pop up, and I will have this linked in my description box down below as well. It's always nice to have extra batteries as well as the extra battery charger, because battery chargers only charge 1 battery at a time that come with the camera. When you get them off of Amazon, it does come with the option of charging up 2 batteries at one time. So it shows you how to charge it up. It also shows you how to insert them, and it also comes with the cord that you will need for it. On the charger itself, there was a line cord that you could use. So here are the 2 batteries that came along with the battery charger pack that I will have listed in my description box down below that go with this camera. As you guys can see, Canon is not on the front of this battery. It is just a off-brand name, and there's nothing wrong with that. Go ahead and place both of them in your battery charger and plug it up, and you're good to go once the light turns green. Some great features about this camera is that there is a built-in flash, there is a continuous shooting up to 6.1 FPS, as well as the lens mount and the fact that you all can get snapping those pictures with this nice digital camera. The 24.1 megapixel CMOS image sensor takes beautiful pictures, while the dual pixel autofocus system quickly and accurately lock on its target to ensure a crisp and clear image, and you'll wonder why you didn't switch sooner. This is a great camera for group shots and close-ups, as well as creating videos and images that you would like to share on any social media platform. So thank you all so much for joining me on this unboxing and review video of the Canon EOS M200 camera. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you all consider subscribing to my channel, and thank you all once again for watching.